Hello everyone, we're here at Tarangira National Park and we are still exploring. Today is day one and we saw a lot of animals in their natural habitat. This is really the best experience ever and it's only day one here. Hello everyone.
Rufa Gutierrez, namasyal ngayon sa Africa kung saan first time nga nitong ma-experience, ma-encounter ang iba't ibang animals doon mismo sa forest ng Africa. Talagang kakaibang experience ito para sa kanya at new milestone. Ipinakita nga niya ang mga ginagawa niya doon at kung saan siya natutulog. Panoorin kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
First evening in the bush. Hello. First night here at the bush. First evening in the bush. Hello. First night here at the bush. Okay, I think I'm gonna have an early dinner. And I think I'm staying home tonight kasi wag daw lumabas in case the wild animals are gonna say hello to me. Hi!
Hello!
Hello there.
Jumbo!
Jumbo Mambo.
Wow.
Okay, is this our room? Okay, our room is called Popo. Can you see it? Going to
Panibagong experience nga ito para kay Rufa Gutierrez kaya naman noong nagpapak siya at nasa airport at sobrang excited nga siya na masilayan ang Tanzania. Nakakatuwa at talaga namang napakaganda nga rin talaga ng Africa at katunayan dinayo na nga rin ito ni na Derek Ramsey at Ellen Adarna. Sobrang worth it ang pagpunta nila dito dahil talagang ma-encounter mo ang iba't ibang animals ng malapitan. Sabi nga ni Rufa, for the first time in over a decade, I'm embarking on an exotic holiday without my family, closest friends, or a partner. This is uncharted territory, stepping away from familiar comforts and embracing the unknown. Traveling solo means traveling free. It's my chance to rediscover myself. It's about building confidence, embracing the unexpected, and finding joy in the adventure of simply being me.
Where's it going?
Ito nga ang day 1 ni Rufa sa Africa kung saan na-encounter niya ang malalaking elephant. Tarangier National Park, exploring Africa's elephant paradise, home to the largest concentration of elephants in the world, surrounded by majestic acacia and baobab trees. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., our first safari cave drive was nothing short of magical. So come with me into the wild, into the unknown, and into a new chapter of growth and rediscovery.
I want a picture with the elephant.
Salvata and I'm the queen of this house.
Wow!
Well, for introduction, we do have band reception behind you.
Okay.
And it's where you may order your drink.
So much has happened since we landed that I can't even put it all into words. Most of the time, there's no signal. So instead of chasing Wi-Fi, I'm chasing sunrises, sunsets, and the magic of the wild savannah. Our first day in the bush was unforgettable. Elephants casually strolling out our backyard while we had lunch, followed by a quick stop at Safariland, the gateway to Tanzania's culture. The African art is stunning. More exciting content to come.
Towards the reception, we're gonna eat because we're starving half to death.
Maraming ang tao ang gusto talaga makapunta rito sa pinuntahan ni Rufa Gutierrez dahil talaga namang napakaganda at maa-amaze ka. Rediscovering myself in the heart of Africa. From the Ngorongoro crater to the northern Serengeti, home of the Great Migration, where millions of wild beasts crossed the Mara River in one of nature's most dramatic spectacles, truly yellow.
Having some Mongolian barbecue.
You see their secret.
This is Rufa Gutierrez kind of night in Africa kung saan talagang napakatahimik, payapa at simple lang ang kanyang kwarto. Parang nagbabalik ka sa unang panahon na talagang napakatahimik ng buhay. Walang wifi, talaga namang gigising ka sa sunrise. Aabangan mo ang mga hayop na naglalakad dito. Napakaganda, nasa gitna sila ng kagubatan doon sa Africa.
Especially my favorite gentle giants being in their natural habitat and just being one with nature is so surreal. And look, there's one elephant behind us. Hi. Oh my God. Not everybody gets to travel the world and see nature at its wildest, and to be here in the center in Tanzania, I'm super grateful and happy to be here. Thanks to Miguu Expedition and A&M Travel.